Congratulations, you're here working on your business. And this is what Empower is about. Empower is about you saying, I need 3 days to work on the business. It's about you saying, hey, what got me here might not get me there.
If we're early adopters of this technology, which all of us really are, if we're looking at it now.
One of the things that concerns me is the guardrails.
From the conversation for having to sell them and convince them as to why they need layered security and why they need to pay for EDR and all these other bits, to flat out telling them.
The feedback and the discussions today, again, and just the excitement that I saw on our partners' faces, it makes it all worthwhile. Like, this is exactly what we tried to achieve, and I think we did.
Working with a family, it's like working with your own team, and it's always on your side.
It's time to take back what we've all learned here, and obviously implement it in our roles, whether that's on the enable side or obviously on our partner side as well.
I always tell my team, you're either the hammer or you're the nail. As it relates to cloud and bringing your customers to the cloud and helping them embrace SaaS applications, be the hammer, don't be the nail.